Within the world of small business, AI has the democratizing effect of empowering the small business owner with Fortune 500 level capabilities. This is truly a leveling of the playing field that is unprecedented, and I do not use that word lightly. Today, a small business owner using a foundation model can access the best expertise in the world on any topic. Not only are there specialized programs today that can generate state-of-the-art graphics and graphic design, letterheads, logos, and other signs of professional businesses that were previously limited to those companies with the resources, staff, and funding to do it. These are examples you have seen, but the ability to write content that is at a level of professionalism and editorial clarity that previously might have required that you hire a Wall Street Journal editor is now at the tips of all of our fingers. These examples merely illustrate the tip of the iceberg, and applications continue to proliferate. The only limitation is the end user's motivation and ability to take advantage of this technology. One specific example I will show you for e-commerce has to do with just some numbers. Obviously, the big picture here is far broader in scale and scope, as outlined. But for example, an e-commerce business does a couple of things. It tries to acquire traffic. When people come to the website, they try to make sure that person buys something. If that person buys something, they want to retain that person and hopefully sell to them again in the future. And they want to minimize any overhead in the background, such as inventory, accounting, or other aspects operationally of managing the business. Already, and many small businesses, it is a fact, just happen to use Google and Meta for advertising because that's where the eyeballs are. So using actual first-party data from those numbers, those vendors, we are seeing traffic acquisition costs decline by efficiency be 27% higher at Google, 18 to 19% higher at Facebook Meta properties versus manual campaigns. This is AI optimizing the campaign versus manually optimizing. A side effect of all of this is that AI is enabling the small business owner to get their most scarce resource back. What is a small business owner's most scarce resource? What is our most scarce resource? It is our time. Number two, converting that traffic with AI-based personalization. Initial results, even with rudimentary implementations, are showing anywhere from mid-single digits to mid-teens improvement in conversion of that traffic into buyers. I've already talked about customer service, where 50% of support tickets are handled by AI. Again, what a force multiplier for the small business. In terms of AI co-pilots, now small businesses are able to access world-class basic legal, accounting, inventory management, and other support related to their operations. Certainly, it is not perfect, but there is a lot of things for which an expensive lawyer is not merited, nor needed, nor does the small business owner have the time or the budget for. For those types of use cases in initial pilot deployments, we are seeing that the average small business owner is saving 120 hours a year. That is about half an hour every day. Half an hour every day to perhaps focus on growing their business and spending time on other priorities. Time well spent.